Good morning students, welcome back to online class. Continuing with our 12th chapter, algebraic expressions. We have completed our exercise 12.2 up to addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Let us once again revise what we have learnt in the chapter up to now. See, we have learnt about what is an expression. Next we have learnt the factors, that is the concepts of algebraic expressions. Like first one is a variable, second one is a constant, third one terms, fourth one factors, fifth one coefficients. Next we have learned types of expressions. First one is monomial, second one is binomial, third one is trinomial, fourth one is polynomial. Next we have learnt about like terms and unlike terms. In the first class we have learnt all these things and we have solved our first exercise also. Once again, variable means that is alphabets, represented alphabets, the value is not stable. Constant means the value is fixed, the number, numerical value is fixed. Next, terms means the algebraic expression is formed by terms. Next, factors means the terms which are formed, the factors are formed by the terms are formed by these factors. Next, coefficients means the numerical number before the variables are called coefficients. Next, types of expressions. Monomial means single term expression, binomial means two terms, trinomial means three terms, and polynomial means more than one term. Next, like terms means terms which are having same variable, and unlike terms means the terms which are not having the same variable. Next class we have learnt about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. I told you in your while solving the questions or examples, while writing the second expression, whether it is plus or minus, we have to keep the second expression in the brackets, so that when we open the brackets we have to multiply this sign, outer sign, to the inner signs, and we have to write that expression, then only the sign will be coming correctly. Now continuing with our topic, next topic, that is, while the given expression is there, we have to find the value. Like example, I am writing an expression as 3x plus 4. Find the value. Find the value 3x plus 4 of 3x plus 4 when x is equals to 3. Means we have to find the value of the given expression. They have given the value of the variable also. So we have to keep this value variable in this expression. 3x means 3 into x plus 4. When x is equals to 3, so in the place of x we have to keep 3. So 3 into 3 plus 4. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 is your answer. Just you have to place the given value of the variable in the expression. One more example. Find the value when y is equals to 7. See, I am writing the expression as x is y square plus 2y plus 3. I have taken a trinomial expression and I have given the value of y as 7, and I want to find the value of this expression. So y square means y into y plus 2 into y plus 3. So in the place of y we have to keep 7. So 7 into 7 plus 2 into 7 plus 3. 7 sevens are 49 plus 2 sevens are 14 plus 3. See, 49 plus 17, it is 7 plus 9, it is 16. 4, 5 and 1, 66. 66 is your answer. This is your finding the value of the expression when the value of the variable is given. See, if it is given as x square plus y square plus 2xy or something. X square, y square means we have to multiply that x 2 times. Y square means we have to multiply that y 2 times. According to the coefficient means powers, we have to multiply. If it is given as x cube, we have to multiply x in 3 times. These type of questions are going to come in your exercise 12.3. They are going to give the value of the variable. Expression is given. You have to find the value of that expression when you keep that value of the variable in that given expression. Let us start our exercise 12.3. Exercise 12.3. First one. See, they have given it as if m is equals to 2, if m is equals to 2, find the value of a1. They have given as m minus 2, means in the place of m you have to keep 2. So this will be 2 minus 2, so 0. Next, see the b part. They have given 3m minus 5. 3m minus 5 means in the place of m you have to keep 2. So 3 into 2 minus 5. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5 is 1 is your answer. See the c part. They have given 9 minus 5m. Again 9 minus 5 into m value is 2. 2. So 9 minus 5 2s are 10. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Minus 1. One more question. See, they have given 3m square minus 2m minus 7. M square means you have to multiply m 2 times. So this will be 3 into m minus 2 into m minus 7. So in the place of m we have to keep 2. So 3 into 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 7. So 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 2 2s are 4 minus 7. So this will be 12 minus 4 and 7, it is 11. So 12 minus 11 is 1 is your answer. One more, D, E part. See, they have given it as 5m minus 2. 5m by 2 minus 4. So in the place of m you have to keep 2. So 5 into 2 by 2 minus 4. So 5 2s are 10 by 2 minus 4. 2 1 4. 2 1s are 2 5s are. So this will be 5 minus 4, that is 1 is your answer. Means in this exercise the value of the variables will be given, expressions are given, you have to place the value of the variable in that given expression and just you have to simplify it and get the answer. This is your first question. Second question. If p is equals to minus 2, second one, if p is equals to minus 2, find the value of 4p plus 7. So in the place of p you have to keep minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So 4 2s are 8 and minus sign plus 7. So minus 1 is your answer. Next b part. See, minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So this will be minus 3 into p square means p into p. So minus 2 2 times. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So here see, 3 minuses are there. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. And now multiplication of numbers. First we have to multiply the signs first and then the numbers. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So minus 12. Again plus into minus is minus, 4 2s are 8 plus 7. So minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 plus 7, that is minus 13 is your answer. Hope so you can do the third part, that is minus 2p cube minus 3p square, same wise. One question I am leaving it for you to solve. Next the third question. See the third question, find the value of the following expressions when x is equals to minus 1. When x is equals to minus 1, they have given it as 2x minus 7. 2x minus 7. So x in the place you have to keep minus 1. So this will be 2 into minus 1 minus 7. So this will be minus 2 minus 7 minus 9. Next B part. Minus x plus 2. X value is minus 1 and minus is given in the question before x. So minus of minus 1 plus 2. So minus into minus plus 1 plus 2, it is plus 3 is your answer. Next C part. 2x square minus x minus 2. So 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 minus 2. So this will be plus here, plus into minus minus, minus into minus, plus 2 1s are 2, minus into minus plus 1 and minus 2, plus 2 minus 2 got cancelled and answer is plus 1. In this question also I have left only the third part, that is x square plus 2x plus 1 for you to solve. Hope so you can complete it. Next let us go to the fourth question. Fourth question, here value of two variables is given. If a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 2, b is equals to minus 2, find the value of. Means here two variables are there. Up to the third question we have got only single variable. Up to the third question we have got only one variable. So they have given that variable and we have found that answers. Here now two variables are given and the value of both the variables are given. So we have to substitute those two variables. So first one they have given it as a square plus b square. A square plus b square. A square meaning a into a plus b square b into b. A value is 2. So 2 into 2 plus b value is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2. So 2 2s are 4, plus into minus is minus, and here minus 2 into minus 2. So 4 minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 is your answer. Here they have given two variables in the expression. They have given the value of two variables and we have to substitute these values in the expression and we have to solve it and just find the answer. B part. They have given it as a square plus ab plus b square. So here a square plus ab plus b square, again a square. See, let us take out these two first. A square plus b square plus ab. See, in the first question, a part we have taken the value of a square plus b square as 8. So I can replace this 8. If you just wanted to solve the whole thing, you can solve it also. I am replacing this value of 8 here. So this will be 8 plus ab, it is 2 into minus 2. So this will be 8 plus into minus it is minus, and 2 2s are 4. So 8 minus 4 is your answer. In the B part, first one I have solved a square plus b square. I have got the answer as a. Second part, they have given a square plus ab plus b square. So if for the value of a square plus b square, I have solved it, the first one as a. So I have replaced this a square plus b square value as 8 and this ab as 2 into minus 2, and I have solved it. So I have got the answer very easily. So this is your fourth question. The third part I have left it for you, that is a square minus b square. Same wise as a square plus b square, you have to solve your a square minus b square.